Fire on board ship is one of the biggest dangers. Sometimes even a small spark is enough to put $1 million ships into flames. It has happened in the past as well. So we do not take any kinds of chances on board ship. First of all, let's see what fire stands for. F stands for find, I stands for inform, R stands for restrict, E stands for extinguish. So if in case there is a fire, find the fire, inform everyone first of all, then try to restrict the fire. In case if there is something kept nearby in close vicinity which can catch fire, try to restrict the fire, and then try to extinguish the fire with whatever means you have, whether with water or with fire extinguishers or with fixed CO2 system or with foam system, whatever it is. So let us start this video. In this video guys, we are going to study about different fire alarms on board ship, that is smoke sensor. Then we are going to talk about flame sensor. Then we are going to talk about heat detector. Then we are going to talk about manual call points. So एक एक चीज को मैं डिटेल में बताऊंगा so that you get an idea what are these all about and what is the reason that different kinds of sensors are fitted at different places on board ship. Now एक चीज you have to know, say suppose you are staying in a close locality, say you are staying in Patel Nagar, that is my place. If in case there is a fire in a house, say 226 house, so people when they call the fire station they say fire in 226 house number, that means the house address is being told. Similarly on board ship where all these sensors are fitted, each sensor is given an address A11, A12, A13. So if any of this sensor gets activated in the fire main control panel, the sensor address comes in, and then in that the location is also there. Say fire in galley, fire in engine room upper deck. So then it becomes easy for us to go and find where the fire is. Copy it guys? So this address is very important. Now let's start with each individual sensor alone. Smoke sensors are fitted on board ship at various places, especially in engine room. Wherever there will be a fire, smoke is going to come out there, right? The smoke is the first indication out there. So what happens is, how does a smoke sensor work? Say smoke sensor में क्या है कि fire alarm panel के साथ smoke head is fitted, smoke detector head is fitted, and when it senses smoke, it triggers an alarm. That smoke has come, भैया fire. Now, how does this smoke sensor work? This smoke sensor works basically on a photoelectric effect. See, there will be two lights inside. One will be emitting light, transmitter, and one will be accepting light, a receiver. So when the light is coming out from this place and this is receiving, this amount of light being received is like a photoelectric cell. It is being converted into a current signal and going into the circuit, right? Now when the smoke comes in, this light which was coming, it gets diffracted. So the amount of light which was reaching to this receiver out here decreases, due to which in the photoelectric cell the amount of current reduces, and when a certain amount of current level is reached, alarm is triggered. अरे भैया smoke आ गई है, and alarm comes. So on board ship, if in case, normally what happens is, in a normal case, if in case there is a fire, smoke alarm will get activated and we'll know. Sometimes when you are cleaning with air, little bit dust gets originated and it can also activate a false alarm, smoke alarm. कई बार चीज़ होता है that a false smoke alarm comes because of dust out there. So on board ship when we are doing such kind of cleanings, first of all we go on the fire control panel and we deactivate the alarm. Copied? Which is very important, so that a false alarm does not come and it does not hinder the sleep of other people who are sleeping on board ship. Copied? During the day, which is very important. So every Saturday when the smoke sensors are being tried out, electrical officers के पास, क्योंकि smoke sensor fitted at a higher height, and equipment is there which you will see in the later video, in which a smoke sensor like this is a fog का, you can see this deodorant, but वहाँ पर एक smoke sensor रहेगा which will be fitted, जिसको जब आप this device when presses it, smoke type of thing comes out from over here on the smoke sensor and originates an alarm. Copy it guys? That's how a smoke sensor gets activated. Let's see in the video. Okay, now this is a smoke detector fitted over here, and right now we are trying out. Okay, now see, you can hear the noise as well.
हेलो एवरीवन, जय माता दी। आई होप आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा और कुछ नया सीखने को ज़रूर मिला होगा। अगर ऐसा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिएगा, सो दैट आई कैन कीप मेकिंग सच वीडियोज़। Second thing that I want to say is, if at all you like the smoke detector part, the complete video where you can learn a lot about flame detectors, where you can learn about manual call points in detail, where you can learn about heat detectors in detail, you can watch in the visionary package. The video has been added, and similarly I will keep adding such videos in the visionary package as well. ठीक है? So all I can say is thank you very much, Jai Mata Di, and thanks for believing in me. Thank you.